I own your soul.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my review for The Grey, the new film starring Liam Neeson and a bunch of werewolves. Now, that would be awesome if they were werewolves. No, they're just regular wolves, and I couldn't wait for this film because I love survival movies where it's like man versus nature. I love that stuff. And Liam Neeson as the lead, that blew my mind. I couldn't wait. I really couldn't. Liam Neeson's one of my favorite actors, and even if he wasn't, he's a badass. He's a badass. He really is. He's so awesome. And I watched it. Of course, ecstatic to see it because I heard it was so good, and I couldn't wait to see it. It's Liam Neeson. And it's not the movie that you'd think it is. It is not a Liam Neeson versus Liam Neeson versus wolves. I keep thinking of werewolves, and I'm thinking, oh, that would be so amazing if it was. But it's not really about that. I mean, sure, him and a bunch of other stragglers, of course, are fighting wolves while trying to survive the wild because, of course, a bunch of people crash in a plane. And Liam Neeson's on the plane, of course. It might have just crashed because Liam Neeson was on it because it couldn't handle his awesomeness. But it might have just been because they're in a place where it snows everywhere and there's a lot of blizzards. So it probably just crashed like that. So, yeah, Liam Neeson plays a guy named Otway, and he has a bunch of other people with him, and he just tries to survive. There's no real big story here. It's just survival. And I love movies like that. A simple plot that actually works extremely well, and some fantastic acting. Damn, I can't talk today. Or ever, really. But Liam Neeson in this movie, oh my god, he's so good. I'm going to say this. I think this might be an Oscar-worthy role, in my opinion. There's actually a part closer to the end, I don't really want to spoil it, but he actually starts to break down, and it's amazing to watch. He is such a good actor, and of course he's badass. You have other actors, Dermot Mulroney, who does a great job here. Frank Grillo, you would probably remember him from Warrior, if anybody freaking saw that movie. Underrated. A bunch of other actors, I can't remember their names, but everybody did a fantastic job here. And it really is a very emotional, very suspenseful movie, because there's scenes where they're just hanging around a campfire trying to survive, and then wolf comes out of nowhere, just freaking starts tearing someone up, and it's like out of nowhere. There's a part where they're just walking in the snow trying to get out of here, get out of the, the cold, try to get to the forest, it'd probably be better maybe, but no, wolves start chasing someone, and it just comes out of nowhere. It's so suspenseful. You don't know what's going to happen next, and these characters are fantastic. They're really fleshed out, and they don't give them that much time, but for some reason, they're really fleshed out. I mean, they all have people that they care about. In the beginning, they just seem like a bunch of either thugs or just, regular criminals, or just people that you just don't like and usually despise, but later on they become real good characters, and they're very likable, and it's very sad to see some of them get picked off. And did I mention how badass Liam Neeson is in this film? I don't think I did. It really is a fantastic film. There's nothing else to say about it, really. If you love survival movies where, of course, people have to survive the weather, snow in this movie, and of course survive nature itself, wolves, then you're going to love this film. And if you love Liam Neeson, you're going to love this double more. I mean, it's just a fantastic film, well paced, the script is fantastic, the acting is so well done, and the cinematography is great in this film. Joe Carnahan, you did a fantastic job here. The A-Team, it was a guilty pleasure for me. Narc was a great movie. This is you're gonna get more role. I mean, you're gonna get more movies to direct because of this, because you did such an amazing job doing this. Liam Neeson, I love you. I do. And anything else to say about this film? No, that's pretty much it. The Grey is an amazing film. It goes by pretty quickly, and when it does, that means it must be a good film, or it's short, which this movie is not. It's about 2 hours long. If it goes by quick, then it must be a good film, in my opinion. That's how it usually works for me. So it is a great film. It's well paced. There's nothing really bad about it. If I had to say one thing, maybe the ending. The ending, some people won't like. I liked it, but some people won't like. I don't want to spoil it, but some people will not care for it. So anyway, definitely go see The Grey. Liam Neeson is awesome. You know, just remember this isn't a Liam Neeson versus wolves. It's about a group trying to survive. It's not Liam Neeson karate kicking wolves. That would be such an awesome freaking movie. Liam Neeson versus werewolves. That's the title. Yes. Anyway, thank you and goodbye. Oh wait, I didn't give it a score. Jesus. I'm just gonna give it straight up 40 out of 40. I don't care. I love this film. It's a perfect movie in my opinion. There's nothing wrong with it. This should not be in January. Movie dump. January is a movie dump. You know, they just dump out their crappy movies and say, hey, screw them. This should not be here. So anyway, there you go. The Grey, perfect movie. Can't think of anything wrong with it. Such an emotional, such a suspenseful piece of art. I love it. The Grey, amazing film. Thank you and goodbye.